What if I told you there's a tool that combines brainstorming, research, and writing into one seamless workspace? No more endless browser tabs, no more writer's block, just a smarter way to create content. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's ContextMinds. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how ContextMinds can revolutionize your writing process. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or student, stick around because this is a game changer. ContextMinds is an AI-powered workspace that helps you brainstorm, research, and write content all in one place. Think of it as your personal writing assistant. From keyword research to generating drafts, ContextMinds has you covered. But here's the best part. It's not just another AI tool. ContextMinds integrates real-time SEO data so you can create content that's not only well-written, but also optimized for search engines. Let me break it down for you. Here's why ContextMinds is a must-have tool. AI-powered whiteboard. Map out your ideas, research topics, and organize everything visually. No more losing track of your thoughts. Real-time SEO data. Get keyword suggestions, top-ranking article headlines, and popular search questions, all in one place. Generated drafts. Generate high-quality outlines and drafts with just one click. No more staring at a blank page. Collaboration. Invite your team or clients to collaborate on your whiteboard. Perfect for agencies and remote teams. Whether you're writing a blog post, research paper, or marketing copy, ContextMinds makes the process faster and smarter. Let me show you how it works. Here's how easy it is to create content with ContextMinds. 1. Brainstorm. Start with a blank whiteboard or generate a map automatically. Add topics, keywords, and notes. 2. Research. Search for articles, scientific papers, and SEO data. Add them to your whiteboard with a single click. 3. Write. Generate a draft or outline using your map as context. Edit and refine as needed. See how easy that was? No more juggling multiple tools or wasting time on research. ContextMinds keeps everything organized and accessible. Now here's the best part. ContextMinds is offering an exclusive lifetime deal for just $89. That's right. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. Just a one-time payment for lifetime access to all features. This deal won't last forever, so if you're ready to take your writing to the next level, click the link in the description and grab it now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. To recap, ContextMinds is the ultimate tool for brainstorming, researching, and writing content. It's perfect for bloggers, content creators, and anyone who wants to write smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more tips like this. And if you've tried ContextMinds, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.